Hello everybody, welcome back to Lions Family Farms. Well, let me show you. So if you've seen my previous videos, I was hauling manure trying to beat the snow. The snow came and the snow is going. It's gonna be a pretty warm week. It's gonna be like 40 every day. Rain, not good for respiratory health, but what are you gonna do about it? So I'm gonna start off the morning here with cleaning my buckets out here with some soap, some hardcore soap, so they're clean. So let's get on with it. I'm gonna start with this bucket. Over here. So I got a little bit of that soap. I'll just get some hot water in there and get brushing. Okay, that job's complete. You don't want to get that stuff on your clothes, as it'll turn them white. Since it's not so cold, I'm gonna work down here in the shop. Oh, and guess what? The corn planter. I think I'm gonna work with this thing today. Okay, the new red ball thing's on. Another row down, time for lunch. So this is loose again, so I need to get that fixed. It's not super hard to do. Just reach over here with the screwdriver and draw these up, but I need two hands to do it. So good as new. We do have another manure bucket similar to the one we have on there now. It's got some holes rusted through it. I'm gonna take a look at it here and see if I can get some steel to fill in those holes. Maybe make it operational again, or spare, one or the other. As you can see, it's seen its better days, but I think I can fix it. Started tearing this row apart here. Got the gauge wheel off, seed firmer. So tomorrow I'll put the new seed tube in, and probably put the rest of the parts on that row. But I got other things to do. Today we got a bed, got to give some shots out in heifer barn. So this is just a work at it when you can type of project down here. So we got some calves to treat. Got a bottle of medicine, a syringe. This goes under the skin of the calf. Next day, snowing. I'm heading to the barn. We got the herd check here in a half hour, and we'll see where the day takes us. Probably the shop, if I have any guess, because it's not very nice out today. Well, herd check's done here. I'll have to put some stuff in the computer later on. Look at this. Look at this. It was supposed to rain today. Looked like rain to you guys. Whatever. I don't really care. I kind of like the snow. But got some work to do out here in the barn before lunchtime. So we'll head out and do that, because it's kind of warm in the barn versus outside in the cold snow. So a cow got free and it completely obliterated that hay bale. We have those hay bales there to cover up those ditch cleaner holes. I am going to build something so we don't need hay bales anymore. But right now, we still got hay bales there. So I need to get a new one, put down there, take the old one out, throw it in for the heifers for bedding, because it's like a very stalky kind of hay. It's not that great. So let's get this bale. Time to clean up. when it kind of comes from the south and the east, this is what happens. Feel it blowing in on here. See if we see any heats today. It's about lunchtime. So you see all these young calves up eating, and there's that white one laying back there. I see he's breathing a little heavy, so we're gonna treat it. That's the things you want to look for. See, all these are good up here eating, but you see it just coughed too, so that one's gonna need some attention. It's just that time of the year with this cold, warm, cold and warm, cold and warm. Not good for respiratory health, in calves especially, in cattle altogether, but especially calves. So you really want to keep a close eye out on your calves. Look what I just noticed. The headlock flags are out. Better find some new ones to put in there.
Mainly rain, but it could start as a little wintry weather this morning as we check
Essential thing to do for a dairy farmer.
Waiting for the storm to start.
Watch the weather. So I brought this bucket down here to the shop. It needs welded. I gotta go get the pallet forks and flip it over. As you can see, it needs some attention. This is the really bad side. We'll see what we can do there. Hopefully this unit gets to stay in the shed. Gonna be like really windy, so that's why I brought this bucket down here today, even if I don't get to work on it. But I don't want these sliding doors open tomorrow. It's gonna be windy, because they'll end up broke. No one told me when Pat wasn't here I'd spend more time in front of the laptop than I would outside actually working. No, I'm just kidding. I knew this was coming. But I don't mind it. Everything needs done. I really don't mind being in the office when it's like that outside. Eesh. I hear the wind blowing. It's like rain, sleeting. Nasty. I'll sit in the office here with the heater on in front of the laptop, typing up reading dates. Wrap cutoff day. It's been a week since the hoof trimmer.
They smell good. Take a smell.
Smell that camera. You got a piece of it off.
Huh?
I thought I'd seen some more.
Look at this guy. He's covered in lime. He fell down out there.
Well, I was putting the lime in.
Here.
I don't even know what my back looks like.
Landed in the swamp.
Oh, it is all. Oh my gosh, still my. I was gonna wait till Sunday to watch this stuff.
I missed it when it happened. I was so upset.
Uncle Bob seen me do it. Oh my.
They could be making a cloud in here in lime.
Well, everybody, we're wrapping this video up. It is 4 minutes away from milking time, and that's what we're gonna go and do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think I'm gonna weld on a skid loader bucket tomorrow, so fun. Yep.
Love you.